Blades of Glory Cricket Museum in Pune, created by former under-19 cricketer Rohan Patti. Inaugurated by Sachin Tendulkar, and officially recognized by the World Record Academy in 2021 as the world's largest cricket museum. The place carries the emotion of a dream, fulfilled through pure passion and devotion to cricket. Tucked away on the third floor of Govind Gaurav residential building, the museum feels warm, personal, and incredibly intimate. The galleries, dedicated to Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and the Indian women's cricket team, feel less like exhibits and more like tributes to the heroes who shaped unforgettable moments in people's lives. The museum also includes a souvenir section for cricket lovers and a delightful photo experience where visitors can hold iconic bats and wear jerseys associated with cricket legends, creating memories of their own.